What's up, y'all? We're back once again with another unboxing from Just Saiyan. This one's around was when they released the jerseys. A little bit, I want to say, trying to say what this deal was. It was a 20% off deal. It was for the July. I want to say it was for the July deal. I always forget because I order and then I just wait and wait and wait. Anyway, so I'm gonna get to it right now and open this up. So like always, you get y'all stickers. And then we'll organize this as best as we can. So overall, I got two sets for the voice actors. I decided to get some of that for coming to Anime Fiesta. They're coming down. So I was like, you know what? I want to get them something. So I did. So we shall see how it all looks when the time comes for them. So they put them in all baggies this time, like real separate, which isn't bad. But when we look through here, so this is a large. All right, so first thing first, we're gonna open up the pump cover one we're gonna wear. So the pump cover I got is from Imperial Strength, I wanna say, or make sure. Yeah, it's from Imperial Strength. They have some pretty cool pump covers there that I enjoy. They had a Maki one from Fire Force. So I had to cop that one. So that's what I ended up getting. So going off of that, you know, it's gonna be Fire Force gear. So we got the joggers like we did last time when we did it for the cosplay. I actually wore that. If you saw my Instagram, you saw me getting that and wearing it with two voice actors there that actually was part of the show. So we got there. The nice joggers I want to wear. This outfit is going to be for more likely shoulders, days, and arms. Because it's a tank top. Got the tank top in extra large. I didn't want to go large or 2XL either. Because I think large might be a little bit too tight on that one. But overall, here it is. It's a tank top with the Fire Force gear. I thought this would be a good one since it kind of Maki always wore kind of like a tank top. So I thought that'd be good to have this under the pump cover. So one day I'll show that off. Next, we'll go with my Zentisu jersey. I'm gonna open up the ears, but I want to try to put it back in the bag, so I want to try to be careful with that. But we got the basketball jerseys. This is an Itsu one I plan to probably use for Upper Day, since I got joggers with it. So here's the basketball jersey. It's like a Delta-ish style-ish with the regular. And then the Delta Vent joggers, which is right here. So I thought this would be a nice set. I might show it off later in this video. I might do that one or the Deku one, which we'll just do my sets first. Not that big of a deal. So this would be the shorts. I did get these shorts high cut because I want to use these for leg day. So I got high cut on these, and you can see pretty high shorts. But I like them. I like using high cuts on leg day. When I do use low cut too, I do use both. No discrimination against shorts. Size discrimination. And here's the top. I thought this one was a nice basketball one. Because you got the jersey, and then of course you got the number on the back, number 1, and then for all. I thought that was kind of creative. Pretty creative in my opinion. Some might say cringe. To me, creative cringe. that C square going on. But now we'll go with the Tanjiro voice actor, Zach Aguilar. So I want to do my best to open this and just show it off. So both of these I did go with the low cut shorts because I wasn't too sure on what style they like, but here it is. So if they see this video beforehand, hopefully I post this before October, the first week of October. But yeah, these are the shorts, look pretty nice. You already saw them before in previous videos because I did order this set before. So I didn't want to open it because I know I suck at folding. But we'll see if we can get it back in the bag in time, in good condition. Put it like that. then the basketball jersey. Let's see how they do this one. So it's like that. Yeah, I suck out the folding thing. I won't remember. But here's the basketball jersey. Pretty nice. You got that mesh, as you can see. It's basically like the blue lock one I got style-wise or material-wise. And yeah, it looks pretty good. I like that it has the Slayer in front and then the back for the Demon Slayer corpse, I want to say. So how did they do it? So they put that here, and then they fold like this in, and then this up. Yeah, I have my girlfriend fold them for me and put them back in the bag whenever she comes. And then we can get it nice and delivered to them. Because she knows I'm not good at folding and stuff, but she's well better at it. But I feel like I have to show these off instead of leaving them in the bag. These are the shorts. The shorts are on the inside like that, okay. So it's like, bam, bam, okay. So there's the shorts. Once again, you got the low cut. Pretty snazzy shorts. What does it say on here? So it's in here. Fold that. And then fold up. And that's his basketball jersey. But there it is. He told you it's pretty much the same. Why you going off on me, man? There we go. And then the back side. See it? Got it in the center that time while Tanjiro was a little upset, I want to say, for those two characters. So let's get to folding. So they have it pretty like overlapping, I think what it was. So it's like that, but it's like this, and then this. Nah, it wasn't like that at all. It's like this. Let's go a little bit over. And a little bit over. And fold it up, oh. And there we go, yo, maybe. Anyways, we're gonna do we'll do this one since this is a high cut. The high cut shorts. So we do this one, maybe we'll bring in the Zenitsu as well. So we will be right back with it. Be right back. All right, y'all, we're back. As you can see, this is the jersey. Looks pretty solid, like I always say. And this will be a good one to wear on leg day for me. I do have the matching underwear on as well, see? Just saying, boxes with the Dekus. And there's the cut on it. Let me see if I can bring it down a bit. See, that's how high the shorts are. You can see the quad's pretty good on here. And lengthwise, not too bad. You see him reach up pretty high. Well, you can't see how high, but as high as I can. And you see it's not going above my tummy. And yeah, this is pretty solid. Like always, gotta say solid, man. Out here, yeah. Anyways, we'll move over to the Zenitsu one now. Right after we do our normal little thing. So I'm gonna move it down a bit again. Sorry about that. So I got the front view. Side view, back view, other side view, back to the front. So we'll be right back with the Zenitsu one. You see the mic's pretty nice there too. Be right back. And we are back. See, this is the Zenitsu one, which this is how an extra large would look on me. So overall, I do like these jerseys. Pretty nice, pretty good to use. I feel like this would be a good one. As I got the joggers, I will be using this one for upper body day. I really don't like using joggers on lower body day. That's just me. You do you. You like joggers. Use those dang joggers on leg day. But as you see, I thought this might be pretty good. Mesh up with Delta Vent joggers with the basketball jerseys. They do have what I showed earlier, which are the shorts, which is high cut and low cut. Of course, I think this low cut, I want to say, is a 5-inch seam while the high cut is 3 inching. Sorry, I got distracted by it. I didn't make sure it was recording. But as you can see, pretty much the same way as the Deku one, but just Zentisu style. So yeah, so it's the front view, here's the side, here's the back, the other side. Let's put back a bit, and the front. So if you want some basketball jerseys just to use even rocking out at the gym or anything, feel free to cop some Just Saiyan ones and use the code THEBIG3 at checkout. I think right now normally it's 15%. Sometimes during promotion it's 20%. So hopefully you get it whenever that 20% is there. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching. Take care. Peace.